Landscape Inspector Summary Video. So Inspector Alan Toll, licensed architect, certified fire escape inspector. I'm here at Montgomery Street in San Francisco. Just finished walking up 13 floors or so of the system. So what we've got is this stair to the roof, and then we've got numerous conditions of this configurations of the same stair. It goes down to the second floor, then there's a ladder to grade. So this is actually a partially enclosed system. This is a pass-fail inspection, pre-load test inspection. In order to certify this fire escape, it would need to be load tested or restored. There's a number of welded connections. The treads are welded to the stringer that would either need to be load tested or backed up with a new clip, angle clip, and bolted. So we're looking at the fire escape. It's structurally sound and it's painted. It is not painted. It is galvanized. There's no internal rust at all, but I would suggest that this be painted. There's a lot of loose paint, loose chips, and the galvanization is probably coming to the end of its usefulness, so that would be our suggestion. But everything looks to be in good order structurally other than what I had mentioned. So in order to certify this, we have three options. We could load test it, load test the whole system. We could restore it where we're replacing, backing up all the welded connections, very, very few bolts. It's all original hardware. Mostly the bolts are on the railing system. So it is totally welded. So we could do a partial restoration and partial load test, or we could provide an opinion affidavit that states best to our information, knowledge, and belief that this system is ready for its intended use. We're going to discuss this a little bit more back in the office, but I will document everything. So again, we've got the door here, there's a door behind me. You know, there's really no platform. This is really the floor of the building, which is all in good order. So all we're really talking about is the stairs. And I'm going to start the video from the top down, and then I'm going to actually walk down. They're all the same, but as you can see, you know, bolted railings for the most part, which are solid, but these are all welded connections. They're bolted here, welded here. No sign of internal rust, but we can't verify that connection unless there's a new bolt placed in there. So we would at least suggest that. And then backing up, you know, the tread has only welds at the bottom, and we would like to see a new clip, a new angle clip and bolts top and bottom, just about on every tread. They're all the same, but no rust that we can see, that I can see. Moving down, you know, connections to the ground are solid. I mean, these are all welded, but the rails are very tight. You can see a lot of loose paint here, which is chipping paint. The railing to the outside is in good order. You know, a little bit of a height issue here, but that's something for the AHJ to discuss. But I don't see any problem with it. Again, just looking around, inside floor is fine. So I'm going to actually go down to the bottom level and then continue my inspection.